Our affirmation today is, I am my happiness. Today we're going to talk about happiness. We've talked about happiness a lot in our fellowship. Happiness is a very important thing. We can strive for perfect health, great prosperity, loving relationships. I've met people who have all that and they still can't seem to grasp happiness. That can be a very elusive thing. And so when you go home this week, jot this question down. What thoughts make me happy? We know thoughts in mind create after their kind. The thoughts in our mind are going to determine our happiness. We also have the option to meditate on happiness. There are many, many ways that we can obtain happiness. One of our prior talks about happiness had to do with doing the things that make you happy. That was one of our questions one week. We were to go home and say, what makes me happy? And that can be very functional most of the time. Sometimes what makes you happy is going to Disneyland. It's not practical to do that every day, but it is practical to be happy every day. So one of the things that we want to think about also in this process is, what thoughts make me happy? Personally, sometimes I'm unhappy. A lot of times I'll leave the office after a challenging day, be heading home to more challenges that I don't want to deal with, and that can actually become, you physically feel that in your chest and your stomach, this weight bearing down at you. And years ago on one television series, they had a kooky character who had this thing that he did, smile therapy. Just by smiling, you're going to increase your happiness. And many times driving home, I'll do that. And as odd as it seems, it's painful to be happy, because we can sort of get stuck in our misery, in our unhappiness, and it's a comfortable place. To bust out of that and even do something as simple as smile can be a little painful, but it is very beneficial. And also, at the same time, let your thoughts take you to your happy place. Let your thoughts tell you a reminiscent of a wonderful family gathering or some point in your childhood, some happy thing. Or a very beneficial method, too, is to think of an upcoming happy event, something to look forward to. That can definitely make you happy if you focus on the happy things. It can be a challenge knowing the difficulties, the relationship issues, the prosperity issues, the health issues. If that's all we think about, then that is obviously going to drag us way down. So we need to use these various tools. And the tools could even be as simple as a rake and a shovel and a hoe. If you enjoy gardening, those are your tools. Use your tools. Even if it's raining outside, you can't get outside to garden, think about that. Think about the joy that you're going to have when the rain is done and the soil is all prepared and ready for you to work in it. Any number of things. If you can't necessarily participate in that, put that in mind. Make that thought your reality. Let that joy and that happiness overcome you and become your reality, your happiness, your joy. Another thing sometimes we forget to do is say a prayer of thanks for our happiness. It's important to remember when we're saying prayers, as even Reverend Virginia has mentioned at times in speaking, Christ doesn't expect us to be beggars. We're not out there asking for stuff. We're thanking for things. We thank for the things that we expect to receive. And we know that we're going to receive them because we're children of God, and we know to think happy, positive, healthy thoughts. And all these things will come to us. And the good news is we do have all these tools. We have the power of prayer, the power of meditation, we have our positive affirmations, and we have our thankfulness to God for all these things to come. So at the end of the day, be happy. So as you're going through your day, thank God for your happiness. Say a silent prayer, a loud prayer, however you find most comfortable to communicate with God. Thank you, God, for my happiness. Even in the darkest days, thanking Him for that, knowing, anticipating that, will definitely bring a warmth to you, let you know that all is good.